What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kari Beats back with a POV, as y'all can see. At nighttime, you feel me, man? Something slight, cool, calm, and collective. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all boy hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me, man. I don't really know what's in store. We finna just make a little noise tonight. You know what I'm saying? I already got the car in sport. Insane, bro. The streets are so quiet, but Olivia's so loud. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. What y'all boy been on, man? Feel like I ain't talked to y'all Negroes in a minute. You know what I'm saying? Feel like I ain't talked to y'all boys in a minute, man. But hey, y'all see we back with it. You know what I'm saying? Quick little POV, nighttime POV, man. Ooh. Not the pops. Stop, burbles. Y'all see what's going on, man. Niggas at the liquor store. This time of hour. I ain't no liquor store even be open that late. On the weekday. Stick 'em. I don't even be flooring that car, but it be feeling so strong. Look at him. Cuz riding the bike looking back like, what wrong with that nigga, boy? Ass a nigga at the gas station. Nigga just bored tonight, ain't he? I just rolled past a shutter with a pink cowgirl hat on. With a blonde wig. Oh, dang. That's the one that was talking about that burnt down? I ain't even know it with that one. Crazy, that been burnt down to the grizzle. Like a huzzound. Pound for puzzound back at. But yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy, man. Slight little nighttime POV. What y'all boy been on though, man? Y'all boy, you know what I'm saying? Comment down below how your day going, how your night going. Whatever you doing, you on your lunch break, you at the crib, watching this video right now, y'all boy just tap in, man. Need y'all boy to tap in. I ain't about to think I got that brightness too high. Well, no, I don't. My window just dirty as hell. I'm on traffic going on. Trying to make a video, cuz. Trying to make a little slight video. But yeah, car crew, man. Life been lifing, man. Life has been lifing, I'm not gonna lie. Y'all know how it be sometimes, man, when you feel like you could be doing better in life, man, or even if you are doing good in life, bro, you just feel like you can be doing so much better, so much more. There's always room for improvement, you know what I'm saying? And it is always room. And it is always room for improvement. You know what I'm saying? All the time. It is all the time, bro. But, you know what I'm saying? We can't dwell too much, man, on improvement, you feel me? You just gotta keep working. You gotta keep working, car crew. You know what I'm saying? I know some of y'all boys be out here like, dang, man, like, I got a job, but dang, boy, that job kind of trash. Like, that be trash. Like, I could be doing way better. You know what I'm saying? I could be making way more. But, you know, jobs ain't really rocking with folk right now. You know what I'm saying? But they be saying they hiring, they not hiring, but like, but you ain't even gotta have qualification no more. You just gotta have, you know what I'm saying, a nigga in your corner. For real. If we gonna be real, you gotta have a nigga in your corner. You feel me? Sorry for yawning. Stick 'em. yeah, you know what I'm saying? Job be talking about they hiring, they ain't. You gotta know a nigga to know a nigga to know a nigga to know a nigga to know a nigga. You know what I'm saying? To get in that bitch, you ain't need no qualification. What is college, bro? When you plugged in, you know what I'm saying? College just get you in debt. Ain't nothing wrong with college, but you know what I'm saying? At the same time, why is college so high, bro? When high school free, you know what I'm saying? Like public school, why they ain't got public college? Why college so high, bro? Why they ain't got public college, nigga? They got public school, nigga, and teachers still get paid. So why we ain't got public colleges, you know what I'm saying? Where you can just sign up for school, get enrolled, and ain't gotta pay nothing, the state pay that. What our taxes going to, bro? And we're gonna pay taxes, bro. Think about it. We're gonna pay taxes, car crew. At least let it go to something that we see that, you know what I'm saying, it going to. Like, ain't no reason, bro. Ain't no reason, bro, for no nigga to be, you know what I'm saying? Ain't no reason, bro, for a nigga to be, you feel me, doing all that, cuz. Like, bro, it should be free, bro. Like, college should be free. That should be real. And then, even if college wasn't free, it should be like, you know what I'm saying, very cheap, bro. Like, college should have a copay, you know what I'm saying, like insurance. College should have a copay like insurance, bro. It shouldn't be no, you know what I'm saying, all that fugazi. Get y'all boys a 25 roll, what it? Hey, come on, Olivia. Stick 'em. That won't like letting that bitch ship by itself, bro. You know what I'm saying? When you get to a certain way, cause like it always do that on low pull. Like. But that car ain't kind of loud, just a little bit. It ain't too loud, man. Like, it ain't too loud, but it is a little loud. It's a little bit. But, yeah, man, like, college, bro, college should be way cheaper. That's all I'm saying. Folks still can get paid just like public school teachers get paid, bro. Like, it's no different, bro. Like, but I know folk gonna have. Damn! But I know folk gonna be like, oh man, you know, people gotta get paid for doing this and doing that, and you gotta go to school and be a teacher. I get that, cuz. I get that. Or like you need, like high school is like, you know what I'm saying, grade school is just bare minimum, you feel me, for you to have. I'm gonna bust me a Yui. But like, you know what I'm saying? Damn. Like saying that bare minimum for you to have, like you need that for like work and whatever else like that. I get that, bro. But just like at the same time, cuz, why is it so high, cuz? Let me give y'all boys a little view of Olivia. This is nice. I ain't know them must be lit up like that. I'm gonna have to come over here and start taking some pictures on that. Oh yeah. Take a few little pictures on that. Man, hold on. Yeah, boy, like outside view, man. For anybody new that watching. Oh yeah. Anybody new that watching? Olivia 101, cuz. Olivia 101, nigga, not the 2, nigga. Come on, man. Carbon fiber stripes on, nigga. Oh yeah, some slight. Not too crazy. Pine straw everywhere. Country boy living. But yeah, man. I just want to show you the outside view. Y'all let me know down below in the comment what y'all think of Olivia, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, long story short, man, college shouldn't be that high. You feel me? But it's a lot of folks I know that went to college, bro, and still can't, hard for them to get a job. but what they went to school for, you know what I'm saying? I know y'all probably done heard that plenty of times. But it's true though, like, a lot of folks really just like, I don't know, man, like, it's weird. Life is weird. Life is really weird. Oh, wow, yo, hey, I need to call that bitch a sleepy POV. Dang, I need to call that bitch Tylenol POV or something. But ain't no way, boy. Ain't no way a nigga yawning like that, boy. Turn your bright lights on, nigga. But someone just crawled. Well, I almost lost the wheel, boy. A pine straw was just crawling on my leg, boy. Nigga, I picked my left foot up so high. But like I had a clutch in it, bitch. No cap. I almost lost my mind. Ugly ass. I almost stopped on a dime, face ass. Hit a nigga like Optimus Prime, face ass. Damn, boy, what that is? Hold on, man. No, I ain't tripping. What you yelled at me? I spin a block on your ass. Bitch just yelled at me while I ride by. I'm trying to check, make sure I ain't got nothing on my leg, cuz. Damn, bitch just throw me off. I can't even fuzz ain't. Damn. Take a nigga to the buzz ain't. Uh-huh. Ooh. Yeah. Listen to this. Good Lord. Goodness gracious. Alive. I can see it in your eyes. Why I keep rhyming? But yeah, man, anyway, I could just slide to me right now. Oh, but don't do that, boy. Well, you tripping. Oh, look. Yeah, boy. I don't know what all that noise was, boy. Hey, that was not me. I don't know what that was, boy, but that was not me. But yeah, man, anyway, like I was saying, if I was rudely interrupted. Yeah, man. College needs, you know what I'm saying, lower the prices, cuz. And then on top of that, just like a lot of folks don't even be working for what they go to school for, cuz. So like damn, like, what you doing? Like, stupid ass. But for real though, like, I don't know, man. Anyway, besides that college number, life just been lifing, man. Feel like you can improve on a lot. You know what I'm saying? Even though if you're not doing bad, you just still can improve on a lot. And if you is doing bad, or in your case bad, or not like how you was, y'all boy, don't dwell on your past, man, on how better some stuff was for the time being before you may have a setback. We all had setback, bro. We all wish we could have did it better. We all wish we could go back in time and, you know what I'm saying, all that good stuff, bro. But hey, you live to see another day is a blessing. So move forward with a better plan. Stick 'em. Alright, but yeah, you know what I'm saying, just move better with a better plan. You feel me? What else? It's a lot, bro. Like, my mind going all over the place right now, trying to just think of like the right words to put together. But long story short, man, y'all boys stay strong, stay humble, keep the faith, trust the process. For my religious folks, trusting, you know what I'm saying, God's timing. You feel me? Ain't no timing better than God's timing, bro. I know we don't like God's timing sometimes, because we try to get stuff done at a timely fashion we would like it, for our comfortability, whatever it may be. But his timing always be the best timing, bro. Cause when they do happen, you be like, dang, I've been waiting on it, I forgot about it. And then boom, what I was asking for just hit me in the face, like, in a good way, you know what I'm saying? And it's just like, damn, that was great timing. If I would've got it eating earlier, you feel me, I would've probably messed it up. I would've did this, I would've did that. Dang, I low-key wanna go to the store, but I know that big clothes. They ugly, sedity ass, closing early as hell. But yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? Y'all boys stay down, stay humble, trust the process, you know what I'm saying? Keep God first while my religion for, man, everything that you do. That boy stay prayed up. I ain't trying to really give y'all a lecture for real. I want to give y'all a nice cutting up POV, but also talkative POV. And you know what I'm saying? Speaking a little game here and there, man. Some of y'all probably already heard before. But ain't no wrong with hearing it again. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know I just be real. I don't be faking the funk by nothing, man. I'm not no professional at doing YouTube, bro. I'm just a nigga with a phone and a Scatpack. And just making a way. That's how I'm doing, bro. Just making a way. I ain't rich. Not yet, anyway. But you know, I'm trying to get somewhere, man. Trying to get somewhere. But, nevertheless, man, y'all boy get your boy to 20K, man. Get your boy to 20K the quick way, you know what I'm saying? Trying to really get out there. I'm telling y'all, bro, video will get better, more consistent. It's just sometimes, man, I be losing motivation. I'm not gonna lie. I get busy with work. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes I gotta once I focus on work, keep the cheese up, keep Olivia going. You know what I'm saying? All that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? So I gotta understand, bro. Everything costs money, and I'll be getting that bread for YouTube. So once I get that bread for YouTube, you know what I'm saying? Y'all boy really support. You feel me? And get that revenue going, bro. I'm telling you, bro, it'll be a whole different ball game, bro. I'll be around your favorite YouTubers, big YouTubers, like all car YouTubers, like, bro. I already know a handful of them already. You feel me? Y'all don't even know that I know. You know what I'm saying? Personally, like, so it's just crazy to me, bro. Hey, man, y'all boys just do what y'all gotta do, man. You feel me? Not gonna be a wrap for today's video. I ain't even mean to talk that long. You know what I'm saying? We're just gonna keep the camera down here. But yeah, man. That gonna be a wrap for today's video. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. And yeah, man. Like I said at the end of my video, you gotta go, you're trying to achieve any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it, car and cruise. You feel me? But other than that, I ain't got too much else to say. Like I said at the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.